Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to review this sample provided by Curve. Thank you, Curve, for the earplugs. Mine are color Peaceful Purple. This is the case, and this is what it's in the case. So this is how they look, and all you have to do is obviously plug it on your ears. This is how they fit. Just a demonstration here. And what they're going to do is they are going to cancel any noise. They really work if you put both of them. This is great for when you travel, when you're in a plane, when you have a noisy neighbor. This is the also it comes with the traveling carrying case. This is how it looks. You can put it on your backpack, on your purse, on your keys, and this is the storage. Inside, you're going to find more sizes of the earplugs. You're going to find them a little bigger. This one, for example, is a little smaller. So this is detachable, and you can put it based on your need. You can detach it and put it on. So it's great. I love the carrying case. And I love that you can be at a peace of mind if there is a noisy situation. You can take them everywhere with you. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. I love the color. I love the product. Thank you for watching my video.